oven grilled herby garlicky spicy chicken drumstick. Hey everyone! Today we're going to be making some delicious oven grilled chicken drumsticks. The first thing we want to do is to prepare our marinade, and we're going to be using a bunch of herbs, coriander, some parsley, some thyme, some rosemary and some basil. And then to that we're just going to be adding some other things, some black pepper, your acidic component, and then for the salty component some light soy sauce as well as some sea salt, and we're just going to blend that. So once you've blended all that, you're ready to pour that onto the chicken. Now ideally you want to have that marinating overnight so that all the flavors can meld. Absolutely fantastic. But if you do not have the time, I'd say leave it about 2 or 3 hours. So once the marinated chicken is ready, we're going to take that out of the fridge and then just let that come to room temperature. And while we're doing that, we're going to get our rack ready. Place some aluminium foil on the bottom of the rack, basically to catch all the drippings and basically to make washing up easier. You also want to oil your rack a bit so that the chicken doesn't stick to the rack. And then you're going to preheat your oven. Recipe as usual up on gingerandseasalt.com if you want more details. Once we've placed the chicken on there, we're actually also going to cover that with aluminium foil. Now this, for me, is a good way to grill your chicken because in the first 30 minutes or so, it's sort of cooking the chicken and it will prevent it from drying out too much. We want juicy chicken, we don't want hard chicken. And after about 30 minutes, you're going to take off the aluminium foil and then leave the chicken to continue cooking and continue to brown. And here we are, we've got our chicken drumsticks. And you can see now they're looking absolutely gorgeous, beautifully brown. You can use that in a chicken wrap, and I will put up a post on that as well. Very garlicky, very spicy. If you don't want spice, you can leave that out as well. Easy to follow recipe, and yeah, I hope to see you on the next one. Happy eating!